If you've got an Epic Games gift code and you're not quite sure how to redeem it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to redeem your Epic Games gift code quickly and correctly so you can get back to gaming without any confusion. This is a simple process, but I'll make it as easy as possible to follow whether you're redeeming a game, a wallet code, or a special promotional gift code. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer. If you don't already have it open, launch it from your desktop or start menu. Once it opens, make sure you're logged into the correct Epic Games account because the code will be redeemed to whichever account is signed in right now. If you're not signed in, go ahead and enter your email and password and log in before moving to the next step. After you're inside the launcher, look to the upper right corner of the window and click on your profile name. This will open a drop-down menu with several account options. From that menu, you want to select Redeem Code. This is the option Epic Games uses for entering gift and product codes. Once you click it, a redemption page or pop-up will appear. Now carefully type in your 16-digit code exactly as it appears on the card, email, or receipt. Make sure you enter every character correctly and double-check for any letters or numbers that might be easy to confuse. Codes are usually case insensitive, but accuracy still matters, so it's always a good idea to verify it before submitting. After entering the full code, click Redeem to continue. Epic Games will then process the code and confirm whether it was accepted successfully. If the code is valid, you should see a confirmation message showing that the item or game has been added to your account. At that point, you can close the window and start downloading or using your content right away. If you run into any issues, the most common problems are typing the code incorrectly, trying to redeem it on the wrong account, or using a code that has already expired or been redeemed. So if it doesn't work the first time, go back and carefully recheck the code and your account details. And that's it. You've now redeemed your Epic Games gift code successfully. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy guide like this one.